guys, welcome to my channel. So we're going to be doing this easy, quick, everyday liner tutorial. I'm going to be doing 3 of this kind. I'm going to be doing one that you can wear every day, which is this one. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to be needing, guys, is a liquid liner. Yes, and this is perfect for people with smaller eyes, olive eyes, hooded eyes. Okay, so I'm using mine. This is Faso. It's a Japanese brand. The first thing that I'm going to be doing, I first look at my lids, and as you can see, my crease is right there. Yeah, and I'm going now at the outer portions of my eyes, and right there, just creating a quick line. And you want to be very like fast when you're doing this line. You don't want to be like pasting it and so forth. You know what I'm saying? So I just drew that line, and as you can see, I'm showing you where my crease is, you know, where I actually have the crease, and where I have the crease, I'm going right above that, and I'm going to create another line like parallel to that, or it looks like a fish line if you want to, like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just creating a line parallel to that. And then what I basically do, I attach both of the lines, as you can see. See? And then I just fill it in. Simple as that. So as you see, I made the line, I drew another line, and that line that I drew at the top, it was right below where my actual crease was. And then I filled it in. And then right now, basically the wing line is finished. Yeah, pretty much. But what we're going to be doing, in order for it to look natural, because we don't want to look weird, I'm just going to use the liner now to just kind of wing it out a little bit. It just depends on how what do you say now, how solid in terms of, or pigmented you want it to be. Yeah, and I'm just kind of using the liquid liner now to kind of wing it out a little bit, because you notice I didn't go in very like harsh with the liquid liner at first, because I didn't want it to come off very, you know. Yeah, so now I'm just going to basically tight line, because that's basically what I'm doing. I'm tight lining. So I'm using the liquid liner now to just tight line, and I'm taking that way at my, what do you call it now, my lid, my eyelid, where my eyelash is, like down there. You understand me? So it's more like tight lining instead of just drawing a line on top of my lid. So I'm just starting off first, you know, right there, and I'm slightly, you know, making the line, because we're going to go like gradually. We're going to increase the thickness, but we don't want to go in right away, because then it's going to, you know, cause lots of problems. And then we're going to maybe look like that video that, what's her name, Huda Beauty created, when they're trying to do the wing line and then everything just stops. Anyway, let's get back to the video. So I'm just, as you see, just using a very, like, you know, I'm not going in like heavy with the liner, just trying to tight line. And then I'm taking the same, you know, the line from where I drew the wing. I'm just trying to connect it, slowly building it up, slowly, as you can see. And then I go right there where that little wingy Batman wing thingy, you know, because I don't want it to have that triangular look. So I'm just going, you know, right there and trying to get everything to blend and look natural, so that the lines can be as sharp as possible. And as you can see, just taking my time. And that's basically what you have to do, guys, when you have smaller eyes like myself. Just take your time. Take your time. Connect the lines. Yes, take your time. Build it up. Pretty much that's it. Taking my time. Sorry if I'm talking a little bit too much. Yes. Yes. Okay, pulling it down. Nice. Yes. Okay? So you see that? We have a wing, and my crease is still there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's still there. It's not closed. And guys, my eyes are different. Like that high, the what is it? The right eye is a little bit more hooded, than the left eye. My eyes are weird. Yeah. But as you can see now, I'm just trying to connect the lines, and I'm going as slowly as possible, not running through anything. And then right there now, I kind of just, I don't, what are you saying? I don't stop between the times or whatever. I just went and I took it straight across. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's all. Everyday wing line for smaller eyes. And guys, yeah, I'm kind of going backwards. I went backwards with the video because when I just started the video, I realized that I wasn't like in focus, so I put the clip that was more focused at the front, and then the second part, the first part, you know, as the second clip. But guys, my two eyes are a little bit different, so I am going to show you, my lids, my, what do you call it again, my hood, they're a little bit different. Or my crease, I'm not talking about hood, my crease is a little bit different. So this one, as I said, the right eye is a little bit more hooded. So I guess I am making the video for those who have very, very hooded eyes, and also those who have slightly hooded eyes, because I have both on the two lids. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so enjoy.
I'll be there for you, calling me when you're lonely, dancing on the roof. It feels like rendezvous. You know what to do.
Okay, so I had to change my gel liner because the other one was a little bit too thick. So yes, this one is a little bit sharper. Good. Okay, so basically what we do now, you just use the liner and just
Yeah.
Only the strong survive. You either live or you die. I don't need you here at night. Only the strong survive. You either live or you die. I don't